Hey guys, today I will show you the step-by-step guide on how to link TV Mob to Firestick in 2025. Let's break it down. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any information. From your Firestick home screen, go to Settings and select My Fire TV or Device and Software. Click on Developer Options. If you don't see this option, go to About, then highlight your Fire TV stick or device name, and click it 7 times quickly to unlock developer options. Inside developer options, turn apps from unknown sources to on. If you're using a newer Fire Stick, you might see install unknown apps. Click it, then ensure downloader is switched on. Next, install the downloader app. From the Fire Stick home screen, go to Find, then Search, and type in Downloader. Select the downloader app icon, then click Download or Get to install it. Now it's time to install TV Mob using Downloader. Launch the Downloader app. In the URL box, either enter the common downloader code, that is 685100, or type the direct URL, firesticktricks.com/tvmob. Click Go. Downloader will begin downloading the TV Mob APK file. Once it's downloaded, click Install. After the installation completes, click Done, and choose to delete the APK file to free up space. Finally, to access TV Mob, return to your Fire Stick home screen. Navigate to your apps and channels, and select See All to find TV Mob in the list. To make it easier to find in the future, press the Options button on your remote, and select Move to Front. TV Mob is now ready to use on your Fire Stick.